Hey everybody, this is Tyson Moore from Tyson Moore Builds. This year I renovated my front porch and I made some homemade DIY board and batten shutters to go next to my windows. Everything looked really good, painted black on my porch, but I decided to make a few more shutters made out of cedar. Because these were cedar, I didn't want to paint them. If you remember about this time last year, I partnered with Home Depot to show you how I was going to use Olympic Maximum and Olympic Elite to weatherproof two porch swings, one that I had just built and one that I was restoring for my neighbor. I was so pleased with how everything turned out last year that I was committed to heading back to my local Home Depot to check out these Olympic products again. Now, while I was standing in my local store, a lady next to me asked me if I could help her understand the difference between a transparent, a semi-transparent, and a solid stain and sealant from Olympic. Thankfully, there was a printout right next to us that explained all of that information for us and showed us which one of these we would want to use in different situations. Basically, a solid to cover up the wood grain and a transparent to show the wood grain. It also helped us understand the difference between the Olympic Elite and Olympic Maximum. Don't worry, I'll share a lot of that information in the rest of this video to help you understand which one you might want to choose for your project. For me, I chose the Olympic Maximum Transparent with a cedar natural tone and began to prepare the boards for the application. First, I started with this 3M sanding block that has all these awesome grooves in it that channel dust away from your project and leaves everything nice and smooth but a lot less to clean up. After wiping away the dust and separating these boards and checking my dimensions to make sure everything was going to fit together, I decided it was time to stain. Now, the application of this product literally could not be any easier. All you're going to need to use is a brush. I chose a brush that's best to use on oil-based stains and just began to brush it on the wood. Now, while you're watching these brilliant colors come to life, let me explain why Olympic Maximum might be a good fit for you. If you're building a deck or a fence or any outdoor project and you want something to be weather ready very quickly, this is your product. It's a stain and sealer all in one with strong adhesion and waterproofing protection. It has advanced sunblock UV defense and even has a mildew resistant coating. And the best thing is that it can be applied in extreme conditions, even down to 35 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. It's rain ready in 8 hours. So Olympic Maximum is a clear win if you're wanting to focus on durability and also staining whenever you want to, and not when the weather dictates it. But durability is not sacrificing beauty either. Here, that transparent allows me to see all that wood grain, and also that slight color brings out all that's natural in cedar. Now, speaking of enhancing and protecting the beauty of wood, the Olympic Elite is also a good choice for you, especially if you're looking for some bold colors and protection in all the seasons. You can see that the application is just as simple, but that durable pigment provides a rich, penetrating color in this wood. Olympic Elite provides that waterproofing protection, it resists peeling and cracking, it even provides a fungal resistant finish, and will also resist color fading year after year. It's backed by a lifetime guarantee, and no wonder it's a #1 rated by consumers according to a leading independent study. So whichever one you choose to use for yourself, cleanup is super easy either way. It's just some mineral spirits and cleaning out that brush. And really, after a few short hours, your project is waterproofed and ready to resist the weather for years to come. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I was super pleased with these products last year and is why I chose to use them again this year. You can find both the Olympic Elite and Olympic Maximum stain and sealants at your local Home Depot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope that this helps you figure out which product you might use for your upcoming project.